Experience the best of both worlds at Vita Zed Alley, an exquisite student accommodation in the city of Bristol. Located right in the heart of all the action, Vita Zed Alley offers a range of ultra-modern studio apartments equipped with everything you need. Spacious, fully decked kitchen, comfortable bed, dedicated study area, ample storage, and clean bathroom. Fitness enthusiasts will love the on-site gym for an amazing workout. And on rest days, enjoy the cinema room with friends or relax in the coffee lounge. Benefit from free bi-weekly housekeeping, a laundry room, and a private dining room for added convenience. Furthermore, with just a short ride to the EC Bristol English Language School and University of Bristol, you can take your own time to recreate yourself after your lectures. Savor French cuisine at Coat Quaker's Friars or enjoy a drink at Mugshot Restaurants Bristol. Witness a peaceful sunset at Eastville Park Lake. And if you are worried about travel expenses, then don't worry, because the nearest bus stop like Victoria Square and Clifton Down train station are just a drive away from the property. Explore and excel at Vita Zed Alley Bristol. Book your home now at amberstudent.com and make the most of your Bristol experience.